Stop guessing on how to fix invisible player characters in RuneScape. This is exactly how you reload your textures and force every player back into view without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to reinstall your entire game or update drivers that are already working. But before we mess with your hardware, you need to understand the cache logic, or you'll just stay in a ghost town and get stuck again. Here at Rexish, we have identified the exact 2026 code fix for this graphical glitch, and we're going to solve it hand in hand, so you cannot fail. Walk up to your game and press the escape key to open your main settings menu. You might think this is a permanent server bug, but it is actually a rendering desync where the game stops loading player models at login after you. The secret trick that other creators missed is a texture toggle, which acts as a soft reset for your GPU, without needing to restart the client. Now, start by navigating to the Graphics tab and finding the Textures option. Do not log out. Next, switch your textures to off. Wait 5 seconds for the screen to flicker, and then immediately switch them back to compressed or uncompress. You are doing great. Now, the final step requires you open the developer console by hitting the Alt and Backtick keys, and type in the command displays to ensure your disk cache is fully loaded to at least 4 gigabytes. This bypasses the invisible character bug and forces every nearby player and NPC to render on your screen immediately. By following this exact path, you bypass the ghost glitch and get back to your bossing or skilling with full